All right, thank you. Now the mover resolution, Sri Raja, if you want, you can reply, but take only 5 minutes.
All movers will get a chance.
No. Mover is only one.
Thank you, sir. The minister, while introducing the bill, did not explain what was the urgency to issue an ordinance. What was the public interest involved when government decided to issue an ordinance? That's why I think my opposition to ordinance is completely justified, totally justified. Coming back to the bill, there were several references to the stand taken by the communists and the left. Sir, to put it straight the record, we communists, we the left, do not oppose FDI per se. If FDI comes in sectors where it helps to create jobs, where it helps to build assets for the nation, and where it helps us to get high technology, new technology, we don't oppose. But why FDI in insurance sector? Why FDI in insurance sector? And I do not want to repeat what others have said about the commendable role, contribution being given by the LIC and GIC. And Professor Ram Gopal has brilliantly presented the role played by LIC. And why 49%? Why 49%? And let us be honest, this government is committed to carry forward the neoliberal economic reforms introduced and pursued by the Congress-led UPA 2 government and UPA 1 government. And what is the big difference between the BJP and Congress now? And BJP, when it was in opposition, I remind Mr. Yashwant Sinha, the Honorable former Finance Minister, who headed that standing committee on finance, opposed 49% FDI in insurance. The standing committee gave unanimous report rejecting 49% FDI in insurance sector. But history has many ironies, and one of the ironies is his son moves a bill which invites 49% FDI in insurance sector against the recommendation given by his own father. Sir, many people talked about the earnings, savings of our people. And these are all odd earnings of our people. Why do you want to place the odd earnings of our people, particularly the ordinary middle class and poor people, at the hands of foreign investors? And they do not come to help India. They do not come here to make India progress and prosper and emerge as a self-reliant economic power. They want here to make money, quick money. They look at India as a big market. Let us try to understand. They look at India as a big market. The insurance business is so dull in the United States of America and in the European nations. It is a fact. My learned friend Chandan Mitra was referring to United States of America, China, all countries in the world, how they are allowing FDI in insurance sector. Let us look at our nation. Let us think as India. How it is going to help India.
Only 1 minute,
How
one
it is
more
going
minute.
to help Indian economy. There I think the FDI, 49% FDI
Yes.
in insurance sector is detrimental
Yes, Raja.
to Indian economy. It is detrimental to Indian national interest.
Raja.
That is why we oppose this bill and we strongly refute this bill. And I hope my friends in SP,
Yes, Raja.
DSP, JDU, all will stand together and understand the Trinamool Congress, understand the justification in what left parties are saying.
Yes,
And
well.
I do not know what Congress will do. And it is for the people of India to understand
Yes.
what Congress is
Yeah.
and what BJP is.
Yeah.
And we oppose this bill.